Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. Determine the mean, median, and mode of the following data set: 13, 2, 11, 2, 10, 4, 5, 10, 8, and 10. Step number 1, we write this set of data in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to write this from smallest to largest. So 2, I cross it out. 2, I cross it out. 4, I cross it out. 5, I cross it out. 8, and I keep going. Notice how there are 3 tens. 1, 2, and 3, and 11 and 13. Now, what I like to do is to double check just by counting the number of terms, which are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So n is going to be 10. Then I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to double check that I copy and paste or I copied it correctly. All right. Now to find the mean, again, there's so many different math symbols you can use, and I'm just going to tell you in one sentence, add the numbers up and divide it by 10. So again, I'm just going to copy 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 10 because there are 10 numbers. So I grab my calculator. Here we go. 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13. I see 75, by the way, in my display. So when I divide by 10, it's going to be 7.5. So the answer for the first part, which is what is the average, what is the mean, is going to be 7.5. So mean, done. Median, this is probably the important part that you really want to think about. There are two cases when it comes to finding the median. It depends if you have even number of terms or odd number of terms. Now, because we have even number of terms, you got to grab the two middle numbers and average them. So notice how in this case, 8 and 10 are in the middle. How do we know that? Because there are 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left, 4 numbers on the right, and this is why 8 and 10 are the middle numbers. You add them, divide by 2. This time, I'm going to promote a little bit of mental math. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. There we go. There's the median. Last but not least, what about the mean? What about the mode? Mode means the number you see the most frequent. And by inspection, there's 10, 10, 10 occurring 3 times, which is more frequent than any other numbers from the data set. So the mode is going to be 10. So again, to summarize this, the mean, median, and mode are 7.5, 9, and 10 respectively. If you find this video meaningful, it's adding value to your math life, please consider to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope this makes sense.